Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease Features. ClickCease Google Ads click fraud protection software will exclude invalid IP and block fake clicks. This will boost your campaigns and allow you to acquire more customers. Record click fraud. ClickCease TM. Watch a screen recording of your visitors' behavior on your landing page. See how their mouse moved, scrolled, and clicked. This behavior is part of the detection algorithm. Introducing your campaign Intel Operative, AdSpy. Still Googling your brand name, trying to figure out who is bidding on your keywords and how your competitors' ads rank against yours. Save your time with AdSpy. Get notified of new competitors and see your advertising ranks throughout the day. Say goodbye to click fraud. Save money 24/7. Outsmart Competitors. Improve ads. Customize. Get insights. Get refunds. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.